They don't know you like I know you. Maybe that's why you're still friends. It didn't pay the dividends, not enough to comprehend for you to know me like I want you. Even if you could pretend. It's not the way I would intend that this would be the way it ends. But they don't know you like I know you. And I'm really glad for them. I'd be really sad for them, but I know they don't give a damn about anything about you. And maybe that's why you're still friends. It's nothing I would recommend. You can be so condescending.